Welcome to our tutorial on analyzing map growth data in the portal by New Visions. In this video, we will walk through reviewing map growth screener outcomes in the portal and show you how to identify students needing support to help them improve on future administrations at your school. The portal allows schools to access map growth screener data, which includes aggregated school-wide data, individual student scores, and historical screener information. Map growth on the homepage. After logging into the portal, you will land on the home page, which provides an overview of key performance and process measures for your school. In the screener section, you'll find a table listing screeners by subject area. This table displays the percentage of students who scored at or above the 41st percentile for map growth. This percentile range, 41st to 60th, represents the average performance level based on RIT scores. By clicking on this percentage, you can access the breakdown view to analyze student performance more closely. You can also access map growth data by clicking on screeners using the left side navigation. At the bottom of the page, students are organized into different ranges based on their RIT scores. If you want to view student performance by specific domains, you can use the drop-down menus at the top of the page. The first drop-down allows you to select specific screener, and when you hover over map growth or reading option, you can switch to a domain-specific view for a particular administration window. The second dropdown enables you to filter results for different student subgroups. And the third dropdown provides options to adjust how students are grouped. For example, if we want to look at map growth percentiles by grade, we will select grade from the dropdown. You can use this data to identify students who need an intervention and directly assign them to a support in the portal. For example, let's say the ELA team wants to create a small group support for third graders based on domain scores. You would click on the third grade row to view a detailed student list. This list provides each student's RIT score, domain-specific scores, and the group students by each achievement level. From this page, we could assign students to a support small group to monitor and tailor instruction. You can complete this in bulk action by selecting batch actions on the right-hand side and selecting all students by clicking the column header. For more information on how to assign students to small group supports, please watch our Create and Assign Students to a Support tutorial. Map growth in the student profile. You can also explore historical screener data for an individual student by accessing their profile. To open the student profile, click on the student's name wherever it appears in the portal, or use the left side navigation on the homepage and select Student Profile. Within the Screeners panel, use the dropdown under the Map Growth Reading heading to view the administration date, scores, and achievement levels by domain, organized by each administration window. Above the list of screeners, you'll find three dropdowns. The first dropdown lets you view progress for a single administration window or compare progress across multiple administration windows. The second dropdown allows you to select a subject area, and the third dropdown enables you to choose a specific school year. Viewing screener data in the student profile is valuable for conducting outreach as it allows you to see all of a student's scores, generate a student report, and access their guardian contact information all in one place. For more information on how to generate a student report, please watch our tutorial on creating and generating a student report tutorial. Map growth in the data grid. Another way to view map growth scores is through the data grid, a spreadsheet-like tool that allows you to create custom views of data. Viewing map growth scores in the data grid allows you to look at the data alongside other key demographic or student outcome data to help you identify, for example, whether or not attendance may have impacted the student's map growth score. To access the data grid from the homepage, select Data Grid on the left side navigation. Once in the data grid, select Screeners and then Map Growth. All map growth scores will be displayed, and you can sort any column in ascending or descending order by clicking on the column header. Additionally, you can filter columns by using the hamburger icon and filter. You can also use the Edit Columns option in the top left to add additional data points, such as attendance, and select a school year overall attendance or attendance risk group. Then click Save, and the data point will be added to your grid. Click Save to My Views to refer back to later.
Your saved views can be found under My Views on the left-hand side navigation of the data grid.
In conclusion, MapGrowth data in the portal provides teachers with accurate, actionable information that can inform and enhance instructional strategies, helping to better support student learning and growth. For questions or help, use the Calendly link in the video's description. Stay connected by following us on social media for exclusive content, the latest news, and updates on student success. Thank you for watching this tutorial on analyzing MapGrowth data in the portal by New Visions.